India is having very good advantage with the UAE, and also your agreements we have seen as on today. Last year 24-25, $100 billion trade between India and UAE. Even Andhra Pradesh, very small amount, $1.5 billion, 12,500 crores. Here I wanted to mention we have prepared an ambitious plan. It is possible. We are all in inspiring time. Around 99-2000 I prepared vision for Andhra Pradesh. That was combined state of Andhra Pradesh, Vision 2020. Today all my vision has become a reality. Anyway, Honorable His Excellency is going tomorrow to Hyderabad. That was part of my vision. I developed there. You name anything today. Most livable city in the country is Hyderabad.